Are you still using tape to back purge your pipe when welding? I want to show you some things that we have to offer. We have an internal purge cap, which you can see here that's already attached, and we have an external purge cap, so now we're not contaminating the internal of the pipe. Very simple to use. Just screw it on, tighten it down, you're back purged at this point in time. So on our purge plugs, we use what's called a swirl nozzle. What it does is it plugs in the end of our silicone cap, and what it does is it actually venturis the oxygen out of the pipe, sweeps it out of the pipe a whole lot faster. Plugs right on the end there. Our purge plugs come from a 3/8 to a 4-inch. These are all silicone based, so therefore you don't get any of the gases. It's just a cleaner product to go into your pipe. You know, if you're going to put something inside your pipe, make sure it's silicone. Don't put anything else inside of your pipe. That's why the purge caps have become very popular, because we're actually clamping on the OD and not contaminating the ID. These come in 1/4 inch to 4-inch.